Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around.
Hi everybody. I thought I would show you what I have been up to today. As you can see, we have lots of plants on that shelf. So I have been doing the up potting all day today, and we have up potted the peppers, and we have yellow monster peppers, lunchbox peppers, sweet bell peppers, and then over here on this shelf we have Tabasco peppers, habaneros, and those are the orange habaneros. We have Thai peppers, we have some Tabasco, and in the back I have started up potting the cabbage because I don't think it's ready to go out yet. And on this lower shelf we have jalapenos and some more tier cabbage that I need to pot up. We also have some cucumbers and some more greens that we can talk about a little later once I start up potting them. And on that shelf we have some eggplant and some more greens and my tomatoes in the back. You can barely see them, and I have some more jalapenos right there that I need to up pot. And then we have this oregano plant that I have moved from the house into the greenhouse because it's decided that it's going to climb over everything, and I'm not using it fast enough, so I probably need to give some away to friends and neighbors. And then we also have the garlic, and we'll do a tour for the garlic later. Today I just wanted to show you what I have been up potting all day. So that's it for today, teenies, and I'm going to keep these videos short and sweet because I have no intention of doing any editing. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye, teenies.
Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your